smart. Oh, what's the monte gore baby?
Oh, thank you, babe. Your suit is also on point.
Ow.
Yeah,
Thank you, my love.
Nakana gile ka phogesello phakela.
We saw Malome ke highly irritated gantele, but he was acting calm. Ga te ke go khwatsa ke tsena go lapeng.
Ene ka tore be ke le teng ga o khwatsa.
Hey la wena. Ibile wa tshega. You should be crying kana. Hey. Go imagine ke takele dintho. Kana ta yala hane motho wa me.
Yes, love. Ta go tlhapisa ka metsi a letswaya.
Hey. A me gate ke a bokenyetse tota gone. Gore mosadi wa me o mpatagaditse le bomdala.
You must be disciplined. That was uncalled for, babe. It was embarrassing for my family.
Hey.
Se se salang ke gore morafe o tletseng ka jaratao o itse gore ngwana wa rona o nyalwa ke motho o palelwang ke go ntsha magadi. Ha ke tswetse ko ntle ke neela rane ho dipilisi ke utile basadi ba bangwe ba seba ba re gato o ile go adima madi ko matšhonisi gore a tle go duela bogadi. My husband and I don't deserve this.
Wa itse mama o dramatic. Hey. Ena kana motho ke mama go simolla gompieno.
Exactly. And Malume John is mine. O tla bona how much drama I have to deal with having them as parents.
Bona. Ya go ntsholela dijo.
Mang, nyarra. Bisa thaba yo go tsholela.
Baby, thabo ke mosimane. He doesn't feature in these kind of things. A nnehela kwa thokomele di DJ le batho di camera. Mosadi wa me nne na ntsholela.
Nyarra, o kula bana mososo wa me. Imagine beetroot on my dress. No, na bile ga keje. I'll just have juice and desserts.
Hello? Oh, hi. No. What surprise do I owe to this call?
You are summoned to the top table by Mr. and Mrs. Beluent, and you must come immediately.
Oh, but no, I can't come there now. I'm wearing a t-shirt only.
Ye mone, that ke command ya uku. Ara go kopera go bolella. And you are misbehaving go mo go ira mo. O to go khwata. Mosimane wa re ntota bana. Gore ba go ba go bitse wena o santse o ngang. Come to the top table right now, Faith.
Yeah? Okay, coming right away, Mr. and Mrs. Pilwen. Kinna yo! Boy! Happy you went to the loan sharks, huh? What percentage they charge you? 50%, 25%? Tell us your secret.
Yo, I was so stressed.
Kantwana, why didn't you tell him to get cash?
My boy has always been that guy who hates carrying cash. I know why.
No, guys, because this is a different situation.
Exactly. Man, he is also stubborn about his financial management knowledge. We target and hell itse.
When I see in Tavoka no sir my dear Mosating and who dimela hella hard cash.
Hard cash, boy. Hey, man, he would never listen to me, even if I had said something, which I didn't because na hakiti do.
Bon, a go tshela monna me bogobele se swa. A ro tshwere ke tlala. Mo tsengtse se swa se sentsi. Antino re no tla ntsholela.
Yo. Hey, wa itse kana. Na re mo bathateng na le bo Antinora. Yo, we will be sent from pillar to post by Mr. and Mrs. Emma, go siame. Anything else, Mr. Pilwen?
Santse o botsa ene monna. Go tle go bogobele se swa, like my wife said.
OMG. Hi guys. What a day. What a day. Wow. Just wow. This is your girl Neo, now officially Mrs. Beluentle. I'll share more details about the traditional ceremony in the coming videos. But for now, let me just take this opportunity to share more information about this process. Obviously, only the stuff that can be shared publicly because, there's some sacred things, conversations, rituals that cannot be shared publicly. But there are those that I think as women, as men, as families going through this process can learn from so we can avoid the mistakes when it's our turn to undergo this process. And I'll do my best to break it down for you blow by blow. Guys, it's been a blissful day. I'm off the market. My Prince Charming has swept me off my feet and flown away with me. He's taken my heart. He's had it since we started dating 6 years ago, and he's been amazing. Honestly, I don't want it back because he's taken such good care of it. Yeah, sure, we do have our challenges, we have our arguments, but we argue respectfully. Our belief is to communicate as much as possible and never to go to bed angry. Today was really about Bogadi, which is the bride price ceremony. I'm exhausted, but I could not go to sleep without sharing just a little bit with you guys. So I woke up at 4 a.m. to do my makeup, which takes about an hour. And then I got dressed in this beautiful dress with the matching headgear. Theo, my husband, had a suit made from the same fabric, so we were matching, a his and hers kind of thing. He was so cute. He just looked so handsome, and I cried when I saw him. I mean, he cried too. We had promised to keep the attires a secret and to only see them on the day. We'll do the same for the white wedding as well, which I will keep you informed about. You guys, there was drama. My husband, though, in his wisdom, decided to present an orange money card, which was obviously loaded with the money that his family was to present to my family as Bogadi. So my dramatic family rejected the card and paused the entire ceremony, demanding that Theo's family go get hard cash. Imagine, guys. Hard cash. I was so frustrated because we didn't anticipate this. But anyway, they came back and the ceremony continued. In the meantime, I was an emotional wreck inside the house. My parents were disappointed. They thought Theo was broke. But I knew he had money, so I cried buckets. Imagine the tears now messing up my makeup. Ugh. Anyway, guys, lesson learned. Please consult with elders on anything to do with culture. As young people, we may take things for granted. Not because we want to be disrespectful, no, but simply because we just don't know. So ask, and ask some more. And guys, finally and importantly, please listen carefully because this one rocked my world. Oh my God. What? Men, how do you think? But like, you can't just bring up a surprise on a woman like that. Please have honest conversations about everything. And I mean everything, especially the marriage regime arrangement. Like, what marriage will you be getting into? Is it in community of property or out of community of property? I'm trying to process all of what transpired today with regards to this, and I'll share more details in my next video. Please come back here and cry with me, girls. So I'm going to share some photos on the link below. These are the ones that were taken with my phone. Professional ones will come in the weeks ahead. Thank you always for your support. Please remember to subscribe and press the notifications button so you don't miss any of my updates. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I got a lot of well wishes from you. Thank you very much, family. I'm tired now. Let me go get some rest. Tomorrow's another day. Goodbye for now. Love you guys.